Mala ka changder chai nyor ka dung din media ka changa wal ka pai warau karon kin dang rau wudi jandang rau wudi diech an mak bangut gok bay nung lar de kon de la nung yeni chang ka dung din media ka tin lat garo de region of Sudan ken win mo no dien an wal ka changa wal ka pai warau dung din media be nung la darau kel bala update ka tanda ne channeling ka northern unity state ka glitch mere oda bala message mi jen mi woka ji gambel la nore gambele ka ta ji tuo ka gambele ne pan ka ne wale rewo to ka ne ba no ye ka gwa chang dar me ka dung dit media mala ne ko yene ko do go ri la le ngane ti la go ne ni chang ka dung dit media online mi ran jo me jak lenge bi like ka bi share wi jo share bane ko no wan ti le ngatung no ra ne ba ku le shop abde nyama dan cha la ro ba nung ye e do glitch and rajo do ko ni dia le ko glitch chakap refit support post that can all the complication about kabe kap kaje involvement of South Sudan government wo je tede che la finidi and rajo dien cha nung ye la full coverage ka dung dit media ka ko ni ndaro pai wot lu ron wana na me si damana ba nung ye ba glitch e woje daga bombardment ni bere heavy bombardment mi shemenen kon por ko mo shiro lat pan ga tyang to order from 5 o'clock at 5 p.m. ga tyang si drone kana war plan in Sudan government cha glitch attack ka multiple attack cha central processing unit la CPU of the oil la dung South Sudan alama jama men ku kan all the pipeline to cha connect ke wel me ku ro rum tin cha bok below that central processing unit is in the heart of the oil production ke glitch ke unity ke lew so na no jenen kon maidemo plus many damage tichiro lat timat ke forceful shutdown e cha gaje ken technician te ko ne tin ke bene be kere fit support first plus tin cha la ben ngar tin are fit support force before kan do kon bomb a Sudan government ko take a very important equipment ti cha wo tin ti cha nangaken ti cha looted so mulu no ka that area of glitch the oil production is automatically altered te chong the question of ba ko lebne ke ngo ba le cha ga jo da pan plus political complication comes to Sudan can North Sudan ka current situation ta na ne South Sudan government in bol ga je ka conflict of Sudan unknowingly there is a like and then this bombing of today ko che oil industry ka South Sudan che paralyzed completely paralyzed and we don't know what will happen next and what the next step that will be taken so more icon about that area of glitch one ka bar gazal sinte ka border ko Kordofan so ma to tin a threat ko kuma jan min ta ga Junuba Sudan a threat di gum dana ta kare fit support force cha bulong mo ko push back about you we atara ko no Sudan let South Sudan stand as a country they will not have accept it. It would take a power more than South Sudan army. Because they would do them all. By population they want to be arrest. The Sudan government when you care one more. By destruction ballot. A man in the bentiu. But Beno bentiu one Korean. And this is because South Sudan government in born politics of Sudan a Kenya plan. Plus which I got forced. Ko ka ba le bol ga manden tele ga mi mugwa ta got forced me bita imeti ko we the no kana wallo kana big land ke big settle ka South Sudan territory so and which are kind of development of this morning that in general right now ko na nature to work take a bombing mid intensive that we see destruction Michi contribute ke te yagalat pan. Ko the oil industry of Sudan is completely zero. So right contin ko and a victory ka revolutionary can people of South Sudan. Kudi oil lime kwalep ta benefit the people of South Sudan. Tele dul wal, tele dul gor, tele chare, tele de kokien dungurke, a chap, and a dividends of the oil, can a mal, can independence of South Sudan, which are achieved together. So only few people are benefiting. Kwa oil money kwa ala nakne okien na ka chap, like we are seeing the hiring of foreign troops, primarily political influence, region, because of the oil money. So the more oil is flowing, the more this government, the government of Salva Kiir, will take a power. Kuba machine ke, alamay kure, baka kok, baka moy ka day, baka foreign troop, baka no, baka internal maliciat, baka form using the money. We are talking Manatu is a victory, a revolution, and we will see the way forward together. The ability you will use again other people in the name of the country, in the name of the government of South Sudan. So Rajamo clearly is about the development of Northern Unity State and all. And by the way, Nuer, sometime, they involve at last. Yenta willing kono go and entire panacha on the government of South Sudan go there take monitoring troop to the form area of oil field. Today Jago and big take monitoring of facility. Go can con book or wine that can con book. Can con damage yet and wadong ballet. So Chajan no go walk and a tour in the middle. Chauru Alma call call. Chajago de la commander of the oil field. So that means we can know they will die there. We only win we can go oil. We shall go to. So unfortunately, she may have a Baugang and get Bakuga. Keep Bakupano, Bapan. So that is the area of English. We talk about it, Chaka today, Alakon Chaka mentioned. Now we come to the issue of Gambella region. Gambella. Charata Akbar LinkedIn this following day. Akbar the Jek. Akbar the Jek one and Anuak would can Nakanore Raka Gambella. Nakanore drop. Chator Bieli Chaka attacks. We learn about all these things called Runamake up to yesterday. Chatur Bill Mijian Galara Mijian Nurzun where Gambella Chapa a drop Chadwine Mike. The same area I thought we shall have born. She bought you a year in the center of town, Kabang, one of the bank, which you all grant. Chanuarch official of the bank, including community leaders. Take a thin money professional. One of them was a candidate of PhD. So about attack. But thank you about two of them. But thank you are my board. That was yesterday in Gambella. Kabarato. So we cannot talk about all the development because when I'm talking about Gambella, I have an experience about Gambella. So Gambella is a year 2025 million more than threatened but they cannot settle in Gambella because the development of Gambella in the stage of today So when I say what I experience of Gambella, I go Gambella from 1995 up to 2002. I have an experience of Gambella. I live in Gambella. So I go power to Gambella Medan, and they still exist. The Gambella up to today, the Gambella town. In the state, she expand to many locations to tell at that time. Power and take can I power you cannot think of today would ever because of 1, 2, 3 reasons. Till a reason they can't which are framed. No way. So there are historic conflict at Gambella, come Nuer, can a bar. So the only thing I right now, Jordan, when there is a core in Gambella, La Nakana Nuer, well, Naka Nuer, she will jaga you core, Chajo is organization. That organization is that we talk about it, when the Alco Nuer let them organize themselves. If there is an issue like this. So Gambella me talk a medan talk a Nuer, talk Nuer, talk a roll Nuer. Nere mo to piaro dien mo roll Nuer. Re Gambel, ten Nuer thin, lakin one birthin. And not the reason go the Orient. It's because of the cultural thing go Nuer la maganishing, maganishing medan come on Re Gambel, to bury with a Re Gambel and one. One of the historic conflict in Analago that are many conflict to Gambella to allow education. Tung Nuarago Bagoro Gambella, Bagor and Tamil right burger, right bring it was a problem which you take a core, which you were to about 40. Sugar a period of 2 days, Gambella, 1998. And I remember I was a student in Gambella, Garas Governor. Chuankoro Mayater. Kon God will go to a coromater, Swater and Nuer or Ken, Manbe you took Nuera with the help of one of the Nuer men. Who was a bullcat, at a bullcat, I wish Yatega Gambella. He was the Deputy Minister of Education, Kagambella. Tabarte and Yamde. Pen go took Nuera, Pen go Bagor, number 1. Pen go Nuera, Teji and Garabajis come to Pen go Gambella High School, number 2. Swater no. So bull cat stand very firm, Kerger and Nuer, Sutadial Sugar Naja. Up to now, we don't have a problem of Nuera Gambella Guaraya, bad core. And Nuer they call Nuer taught. Not today. Today, me a Guar, Nuer Guaria to Gambella. Nuer they contribute to the Ethiopian activities, national level. Nickel core din. Outside their mission, the internal representative, need to contact the government, the House of Federation. So, unlike the time we done, it was a Gambella ESP. So, today, we look better, could be a peaceful at the interest of the Ethiopian government, we and let the country and thin Kaladiaka, a look at it. You think about the choice, you know, about choice, do know you protect yourself. And we are running down, and we know Coneo Ken and Nana. That tell Ramadan to Gambella, but at this time, I will do Gambella. But now and then, like Kin will be a running down, King will be a common core, much a la core, with the objective. You must fight for a reason. Be a quoted for a reason that Michi out of me am Kumabunya. God couldn't care to Kumabunya. We are watching as a community of Nuer, Manganga, Jenen. Number 1, security dun. It's an existential threat. Kabar. Come on, no more a land. Land and a land eastern, Baro River. To Yanagaitan. What Penagatia gap. Near wind the Alacor, the Wizir, Kaitan and Dan, Nicopo Quat. Nigo Akade, one of a ball, where Penna Gambella, where and the pin, when I got here a gap. Let him all land. Where Traga West Bank or Barrow River. Look at the tongue, 2 over the tongue, Kuyirmo. That objective, let Yanaka for 2 reasons. Number 1, a landwood. Number 2, Mukan Baramat, which you carry Okwich. And what a car line with Yermo. They will still kill you by now. A position that you can tell to the government of Ethiopia, that is it. About Okich. Because why didn't you hear by a time when I got a ball, Chibanaga Kade, Chibanaga beer up? Ninian Dub Gambella, Kola, the vital rule, Kuyan Legelge, Mukuyel Connect, the Gambella. Come like an Nuer, la Nuerzud. Up to win. There are money in over here. And one of the objectives. So, Gambella Mete and Temple. tele la wona ne ga ja in which an malelo she question of ga ja alone so she yen ga ja koro du de kono te question of Gambella a question mulu no dia whoever in Gambella today kono ro ga ja ku benefit she ga ja de kono wa Gambella benefit kono ro dia ne ko low ne ko dor ji kai ne ko bentiu ne ko panga we have a ratio of our children is dual go Gambella to go. So that interest alone can be protected by anyone. So the question of Gambella today, here Dungajak, let us forget about Ogajak, Magajak, whoever is able to Gambella to protect the land of Gambella, Aladu. Jiloa, Jinga Juk, Jinga War, Jilak, Jimbentio, as long as the Jin were with Gambella. It is your home. The same like Ken bought who claim, but I can't go jure. But I can't go for shall. They are done a Kubunu, while Ken Jiro Gambella to Dora. There is no reason. And which are Gano, a Dungambel. Go, Conwaridial, we know. Gambella, I have you think, but by an app, unless you organize yourself. Colonization don't be take objective. Oh, we stop one and for all in this security threat. It will go quick. Go on quick. So history can teach you the job Biaka like it to the Arila Gambella. She generation down the Gambella. So Rala can you go down and Gurutin because the children of God Gambella can go and enter the other Gambella through difficulties, through problems. Example of that was Galwapal. Galwapal was in Gambella, his childhood. You know how Gambella grew up, Buom Nuer, which over Gambella. Gambella was all about 4 areas. Gambella can go fire Nuer. Again Ulan, again Dongley, again Chankwar, again Dalkuch, again Kotaba. Again area of Gorade. So near Garfa, our Babachang or Korun. And now, Gambella, they should not get a gap. No border of El Babur, no bar color, no Gambel, can El Babur, Kayes back. So the man of Malamala and Nebu Norigian. So Mulat Burger, the Mola Gajamas, we always say, Lara, you would never miss up for the side issue of Gambella. Go on and nature, you do all can. Come a criminal kill. Go me, I'm machine or not. If I'm a young with objective of Buom Nuer because cat. If you got Portugal Gambella, if it was also done. Nonsense. Money and you have to organize yourself. And your objective is to go quick. Brother, East Bank, I can walk West Bank. We are like a Kuba Bunyan, where you can turn on your So right more, write me Gambella. And the message is very clear. Gambella, we are firm, which I had never used in a bar this time. Nigga tired to walk again. And the only problem is organization. You organize yourself. Have an objective. Issue of land, Emila Nangna. And if you do not organize land, no back. Come land kind of secure, secure. Like the East Bank of Gambella region, Mekanya Nang is Baro. Tell me yellow. We burn would quite agitate. So in summary, we talk about situation glitch. Talk about no picture a Kelu. Go on and development of Banaga war, Katawa Kamiam. Again, we talk about this issue of Gambella. Go our message, Chetayalanake, we Gambella. So the raw can the Aldo Nega Choloko Wale. Kachang ka wal ka pai waro en wo ka nab den kana kan information nong ne ya dung din media balo ji yo ko tyang ka te ko ken ba lo jek to lo da te ko sia ko ling u shukran.